For those that don't know, media studies is the study of any form of mass communication. These include websites, social media, film, TV, radio, gaming, and music videos. All of these are massive and important industries that employ many people, not just in the UK and across the world, but in one of the biggest media hubs there is, London. To set you on this path, there are 2 media subjects on offer in years 10 and 11, GCSE Media Studies or a more vocational Cambridge National iMedia course. It is then a natural progression to move on to some of our sixth form subjects. We have A-level Media, A-level Film and Cambridge Technical courses. These again can take you onto a wide range of degree level courses. Some are more academic and some are very focused on practical skills and future employment. London is buzzing with film and TV studios, advertising agencies, post-production houses, online, radio and gaming companies. Even non-media specialist companies usually have a media department. So, we offer loads of job opportunities for you. I'm going to introduce you to just one story. Leslie chose A-level Media in the sixth form without having a very clear career path at the time. She went on to do a degree in media before working in a number of ad agencies and branding companies as an account manager with a team of creatives to look after. Here's her story.
Hi everybody, my name's Leslie and I work at a global branding consultancy called Interbrand. So to tell you a little bit about my career path, I started doing A-level media studies and photography a long time ago, but I was really interested in the creative subjects. I was a budding photographer at the time and really thought that I would translate this course into something very creative and a career possibly as a photographer. I then went on to Loughborough University and I read Communication and Media Studies there. It was a BSc degree and actually quite a lot more theoretical than practical, and it really opened up the world of media to me in a more business context, and I learned a lot about sociology and psychology, and it made me realise that actually I wanted to very much be on the business side of things but still in a creative environment. So that was the biggest learning for me at university, was realising that perhaps as much as I enjoyed the creative side, that would become more of a hobby and actually working in a business context. Fast forward 17 years, I'm now working as a senior client director at Interbrand. I've been here for 8 years and I work in the client servicing team. So part of my job is to make sure that all the projects are delivered on time and on budget and on brief. Having happy clients is really the key crux of my job, and making sure that they will keep spending money with us and keep wanting to use us for our creative spirit. And actually I've been able to combine both things so well because I work in a hugely creative environment with designers and motion graphics people, and it's a very relaxed environment. We don't have to wear anything in particular, but we can dress down and it feels very casual, although it's still very professional. And that's one of the things I absolutely love about my job. Something else I love is all the travel that I've been able to do pre-COVID. Some projects have taken me to places like Mexico and Russia and Dubai, which has been an incredible experience and something really good for my learning. And then finally, just seeing my work in actual shops and in real life situations where I see, perhaps maybe a 2-year project coming to life, and seeing all of the packaging that we've been doing on a particular brand, such as Mars, for example, on shelf in time for Christmas, has been really exciting. Thank you for listening and good luck with your studies.
Leslie's story is one of thousands in London, but that could be you in the future. You could be working with very talented and creative people doing a wide variety of jobs, from production to managerial jobs like Leslie's.